In this step-by-step video guide, I will show you how to move your coin from Binance to the Trust Wallet. For the demo, I'm going to use Binance app and the Trust Wallet app both on my mobile phone. However, you can use the same method on the Binance web version as well. Let's start. Once you log into your Binance app on your mobile phone, you should see the Pro version of Binance app, just like mine. If you don't have the Pro version enabled, you can simply click to the user icon on the top left side and tap Binance Pro. You should have the similar kind of look on your Binance. Oh my god, the last time I checked my portfolio, the balance was so much different. Wow, that's a lot of money dissipating. Anyway, crypto investment are very risky, so this is why I always say do your own research before the investment. Nonetheless, let's continue with the Binance to Trust Wallet Withdrawal. So now once we are into the app, just click to the wallet. If you have been staking your coin on the Binance and you want to withdraw that coin, you need to head to the on tab first. In the on tab, you can see if you have any coin that you are staking or using for the getting some reward. You can see the list of the coin. In my case, I have a few of them. If you want to remove your coin from the staking on Binance, you can simply click to the coin. Under the coin, you can see what kind of staking option you are using for. In my case, I have this ADA, which is staking on the flexible APR, which is just 1.56%. You can see once you tap into the coin, and if you tap into the APR or flexible the rates, you will head to the next page. This is where you can click to redeem, not to subscribe because it's been already subscribed. Now we want to redeem this coin. Once you click to the redeem, in the next page you have an option. You can either type how many coin you want to redeem, or you can just click to the max. In this case, I'm going to release all my coins, so I click to max and I will click to the I have read and agree to the Binance simple on service agreement and click to confirm. The ADA redemption is completed. Now my coins should be in the spot section of the wallet. Let's go back. Similarly, you can release any coin you would like to release. Now if you go back to the spot section on the wallet, you can see how many coins you have as a balance. For the demonstration purpose, I want to withdraw cake token coin to the Trust Wallet. To withdraw the coin from Binance to the Trust Wallet, first we need to go to the Trust Wallet and find our coin. In this case, I'm using both of the coin as a BEP20. Sometimes you have the ERC20 or ERC2 or BEP2 kind of coin. It is very important to understand what kind of coin you are transferring from one wallet to the other. Otherwise, you may lose your coin. Most of the time, when you transfer BEP20 build coin, the Binance is smart enough to understand, but sometimes it does not recognize it. So it is your duty to understand which blockchain coin you are transferring and receiving on. It should be in the same network. So for this, I have this cake token coin that is built on the BEP20, and I am transferring the BEP20 coin from the Binance as well. So to receive our coin, let me show you something. If your coin is not here in the Trust Wallet that you can see there, but you want to receive it, just click to this 2 dot on the top right corner and type your coin. You can see this cake have a multiple kind of ERC20, BEP20 and all this thing. If your cake coin goes to other than the one you have it, then you might lose it. Just not to make you confused, let's say I want to enable some of the other coin. What should I search for? I think let's say Kava something. Yeah, once you tap to this enable, it will be enabled to your home page, and then you can pick it from the home page. Here I want to receive the cake token coin, so I will tap to the receipt button. You can click to this icon, or you can click to the copy button. Both of them will copy the address. Now let's head back to the Binance. If you remember that we did this process, that we selected the coin and now we want to withdraw, and we want to withdraw using the send via the crypto network. On this page, this is where we will paste the address that we copied from the Trust Wallet on the address bar. Like I explained earlier, that Binance is pretty smart to understand that the address we have put here is built in the BEP20. So yeah, just to making sure that's a BEP20, it is by default automatically selected on the Binance. Like I said, sometimes it does not recognize. It does not even let you change it to any other. That's a very good one. So there is zero chances that you lose the revenue. In this amount section, you can either type your amount, that how much balance you have available, or you can just click to the max if you want to send all of the available balance, or you can type how many you wanna transfer to the Trust Wallet. For this demo, I want to transfer one cake to my Trust Wallet, and it will be from the Spot Wallet. As you can see, I will be receiving 0.977 cake, and there will be a network fee of 0.023 as a cake. Once you see all the details, you can click to the withdraw. This is a confirm order page where you have all the details, that how many coins you are receiving and all the network information, where it's going from, what is the network fee, and all these things. Once you click to the confirm, your transaction will execute. If you have a 2-year pay enabled, then you will have to verify using the different kind of method. And once you input the verification code, your withdrawal is received. Normally the BEP20 withdrawal are pretty fast. It should not take more than a couple of minutes. Let's head back to the Trust Wallet. Right now the balance is 0.3132 something as a cake. Let's refresh the page, and we have received our cake from the Binance. So this is how you transfer your coin from Binance to the Trust Wallet. This is all in this video. If you like the video, please do hit the like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Until then, take care and see you.